Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on KuCoin app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your KuCoin app that you have just installed, and right on the top you will find this two option, which is login and /sign up. You can tap on this option of sign up right over here, and we're gonna simply enter the email or phone number. Tap on create account, and we're gonna simply enter the verification code. Wait for it to be sent. I just changed my number to my email for my easy convenience. You can do the same as well. You can also choose to create it with your Telegram or your Apple account. And once you get this email having the code, make sure to remember copy as well and go over here and type it in. Once you're done, add in the new password, tap on continue, and there we go. We have created our KuCoin account. I'm gonna enable my Face ID as well, so next time I can just open it without having to enter the password. And there we go. This is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.